Its first command is base flange tab. It works quite similar to features tab extruded boss base command. So let's try it. First of all, you need to have a sketch on front plane, then draw a rectangle. Now in the sheet metal tab, select base flange tab command. First of all, it will ask you about use gauge table. If you are going to select these tables, select yours, or then it asks you about the thickness for sheet. Here is the thickness. Usually sheet metal material has very low thickness, below 1 millimeter, so you can select your own. So type 0.1, and here is the bend allowance and rest of the things. So press OK button and the command will be applied. There is another task which is performed by base flange tab command. So again, in the sketch menu, sketch tab, sketch on front plane, and then draw a center point arc, make normal to, and then draw arc like this. Now add dimensions, radius 90 millimeters, and this is the rip dimension 0.5 millimeters. So now in the sheet metal tab, select base flange tab command. Check to this box, override default parameters. Here is the wall thickness for the pipe. So let me tell you about rip. As you know, pipes are formed with the sheet. When they bend pipe like this, and on the edge there is some distance between both of the edges, which is called rip. So first of all, here is the wall thickness for the pipe. You can choose, let me show you. If I type 4 millimeters, then see, this is the wall thickness which is asked first of all. If you check to this box, reverse direction, it will be extruded outward, and here is the bend radius. Now this is the direction 1 for extrusion. By default it is 10 millimeters. You can select or type your own dimension here, and this is for the direction 2. So press OK button and this command will be applied.